Your under eye still creasing and looking patchy and you can't figure it out, I'm here to help. Step number 1, I will repeat myself over and over and over again. You need to hydrate. I repeat, you need to hydrate your under eye. It can be high-end, it can be drugstore, it does not matter. You want to apply an eye cream. I'm using the Live Tinted one. I already applied it under my eyes, and do you see how hydrated they look? I'll apply a little bit more just to show you guys, but I apply, guys, and the key is to wait. You want the eye cream to go into your skin. I'm going to wait about a minute or two. Biggest tip would be light layers. I am someone that does struggle with hyperpigmentation and dark circles, so I am going to apply a corrector, but I'm not taking my foundation up there. So step number 2, apply a corrector that will cover the discoloration. I am going for something that's a little more peach tone. This is Huda Beauty Full Filter Corrector in the shade Peach. If your dark circles are more pigmented than mine, you would opt for a more orange corrector. There's different shades in the line. And there's so many great correctors out there. Let me know if you want recommendations. Now, even with this corrector, guys, I'm gonna wait. I typically will go ahead and do my brows and then blend out the corrector. So we're gonna be waiting like 5 minutes. So I know some people like beauty blenders, some people like brushes, but I personally opt for brushes because I feel like I get more coverage out of the product that I have applied. I have to apply less product. And look at the finish. Like, do you guys see? This is just the corrector applied, and look how great it looks. I want to show you as you're close. So I obviously have natural creases. Those are going to happen. It just will not stay in the creases. After blending out the corrector under my eyes, I'm going to apply my foundation just till this point, and I'll be right back. Okay, foundation is applied, and do you guys see how I did not take it under my eyes because I want less layers. Less layers equals less creasing. Now we're going to go in with the hydrating concealer. I'm using the Hourglass Vanish Concealer. I'm just going to apply it just like that. And like always, I like waiting just to build the coverage before blending it out. So I'm just going to apply this and then wait a couple of minutes before blending. Using hydrating concealers help build coverage because my skin is dry and I can leave it on my skin for longer. I know I'm crazy, but I did add a little bit of a lighter shade of the concealer, but I have done my contour and blush in the meantime. Now we're gonna blend, and I want to show you guys. Blending with a brush, I feel like builds such great coverage. I waited a little bit, and you will see how flawlessly the concealer blends out. Like, look how great that looks, guys. Okay guys, this is my concealer fully blended out. If I bring you guys closer, of course there's going to be natural creases, but I'm going to show you how to set it so it stays smooth. I'm just putting out a disclaimer, there's no right or wrong to makeup. If this doesn't work for you or you have a different technique that works, I want you guys to continue doing it. But this is what works for me. So you want to use a finely milled powder. It can be any powder that you like. I'm going to go in with a Charlotte Tilbury airbrush. I'm going to first go in with my concealer brush and make sure everything is smooth and blended. I know I look crazy looking up. I'm going to mix both shades and set my under eyes just like that. This will make sure there's no creases. And look how smooth that looks. Same thing on the other side. Okay, and this is what the under eyes look like with just one powder. Using a loose powder of your choice, this is the Givenchy Prism Libre. I'm going to take a powder puff and make sure the powder is all blended, and then go in and press this under my eye. I'm pressing it, guys, not wiping. I'm pressing it into my skin. I know it's shocking to some that I have dry skin and I left the powder on for this long. I went ahead and did my eye makeup, guys, and I'm just going to dust it off just like this. Press the rest of it into my skin, and look how flawless the under eyes look. Just to refresh the skin and just bring the moisture back, I'm going to spray some setting spray. I literally drench my skin, guys. Okay guys, makeup is fully done. And I want to zoom you guys in to show you what my under eyes look like. If I come closer to show you guys, there obviously are natural creases, but it still looks very smooth, very highlighted. Let me know if you guys have any questions.